Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to make a video blurry in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut and import my video as well. And we're going to make this video blurry. So the first step we should do is click on this effect option on the bottom of our screen. Then there will be several options for us, and we can choose video effect right here. And after that, we can search for blur effect. We can click on this search button. Then I'm trying to search blur effect. Hold on, guys, like this, and search for blur effect. And we can scroll our screen to find the blur effect that we like. And there are a lot of blur effects that you can use. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And just click on the blur effect that you like. Okay, and we can go back to our video. And don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose blur effect that you like. And we can adjust the length. Just tap and hold on this section. Then you can drag it to adjust the length. Alright, and let's check it together, guys. Okay guys, that's how we can make a video blurry in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.